Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in British Pound US Dollar currency pair. Currently the price action looks to be in a very nice bearish trend. Let us see what is the current price action. I'll be starting the analysis from the daily time frame to lower time frame and will be sharing you the support and resistance levels. Use these levels as a reference for your trade entry and exit. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the past price action of this daily time frame, from the level of 1.42, the price action was in a very nice downtrend and it took support around the level of 1.20 and it started its bullish trend. Again, it tried to break this resistance level and couldn't break this resistance level and it started its bearish trend. So it is in a retracement for now. And during the trend reversal also, previously also it has formed a very nice double top and trend reversal happened, and presently also it has retested this resistance level twice and the trend reversal has started. Let us mark the resistance and support levels and check the current price action. When we closely analyze the current price action, as we already know, it is in a very nice bearish trend, and I have drawn the parallel line or the bearish channel pattern over here. I have extended this line and you can notice that previously the price action has retraced up to this outer resistance line of the channel pattern, which was around 1.37. Then a trend reversal has happened. On the bottom side also I have drawn this channel pattern and you can notice that the price action has tested this channel pattern support line and the trend reversal has happened, but before going on a trend reversal it has consolidated, then started on a very nice bullish trend. So this level 1.32707 and 1.32042 will be acting as a very strong support area when the price action retraces. And when we closely analyze the current price action, the current price action has taken support at the support level of 1.34 and it is in a little bit of retracement on the bullish side. When we look at the past price action at this level, you can notice that previously this level has acted as a very strong resistance. Prices had tested these levels, then a trend reversal has happened. Here also it has tested this resistance level, then a trend reversal has happened. So this level will be very important level for the current price action. Only when it breaches this support level, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. But overall, when we look at the price action, it was on a very nice bullish trend and it is in a retracement to test this support line of the bearish channel pattern. It is on a retracement for now, and previously also whenever the price action tests or tries to break this support level, it goes on a trend reversal, then bridges this support level, then again consolidates, then bridges this support level. So currently also we can expect the same price action to be repeated. So we can expect a little bit of bullish trend reversal, then to bridge this support line, then go and test on the next level of support, which is going to be around 1.33. So currently the price action is in a very nice bearish trend when we look at the price action from the daily time frame. So these are all the support and resistance levels in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. We already know that the price got bounced back from the bearish channel pattern resistance line. It was in a very nice bearish trend. I have drawn a bearish channel pattern over here, and from here it bridged this support line of the bearish channel pattern and retested on this support line or the resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, consolidated, and next time when it went on the bullish trend, it bridged this resistance line or the support line of the bearish channel pattern. Currently it is in a trend reversal on the bullish side, but overall when we look at the price action, it is in a bearish trend and trading within a bearish channel pattern. We can expect the price action to take resistance at the midline of the bearish channel pattern, then a trend reversal to happen. because it needs enough momentum to break this higher time frame support line. So it is on a retracement to gather enough momentum to retrace on a bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in the yellow color boxes are the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is finding resistance at the level of 1.35. We can expect a consolidation over here, then double top pattern to be formed and a trend reversal on the bearish side, because overall we know that current price action is trading on a bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 30 minutes time frame also, we have a very strong support from the higher time frame, which is around 1.34, preventing the market from falling down, and current price action was on a very nice bullish trend and found resistance at the bearish channel pattern midline, and it is in a retracement. I am expecting the current price action to breach this support level, then go on a bearish side, because overall we know that the current price action is trading within a bearish channel pattern. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked within the white color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has taken resistance at the price level of 1.35 and it is in a retracement. The first level of support is going to be at 1.34, which is from the higher time frame. We can expect it to breach this support level, then a downtrend to continue. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, currently it is trading within a bullish trend. As long as this support line is holding, we can expect the bullish trend to continue, and we have the midline from the bearish channel pattern acting as a very strong resistance. Even if the price action goes on a bullish trend, we can expect it to take resistance or bounce back from this resistance line and go on a bearish trend. Currently the price action is in a bullish trend to gather enough momentum to break this higher time frame support level. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked within the green color box are the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame, and we can notice that currently also the price action is in a very nice bearish trend. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.